Hello everyone, and welcome to the DUT App Factory 2-minute tutorials. My name is Sachin, and in the last video I covered the installation of Microsoft SQL Server and SQL Server Management Studio. In this video, I'll be going over setting up a sample database that we can utilize to practice SQL going forward. So what is a sample database? A sample database can be used for various purposes such as practicing and testing SQL applications effectively. Microsoft have gone ahead and created their own sample database for public usage, which consists of fictional data from a company called Wide World Importer. This particular example demonstrates good database management practices such as a clear naming convention and avoidance of data ambiguity. To get started, first we're going to go to Google and search for Wide World Importer Database. Click on the first link over here, which is the official site for Microsoft. Once on the site, you'll find another link below which will lead to a GitHub page that contains the rest of the data. You do not need to create a GitHub account. Simply click the Wide World Importer's full.bak file to start downloading. Once it's finished downloading, we're going to go to the file location, copy it, and now we're going to locate where our SQL Server backup file location is. This is usually in the C drive, Program Files, Microsoft SQL Server, MySQL, Backup, and now we're going to go ahead and paste the backup file over here. We're now going to close all our files, open Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio, and connect to a server. Once here, you're going to go over to Database, right click, and click on Restore Database. We're now going to look for where the database was stored on our device. So click on Device, then click on the 3 ellipses next to it. From here, we're going to click on Add, and the default location is where we saved the backup file already. So we're just going to click on it and then click OK. Now this will load the backup database and restore it onto our SQL Management Studio server. If you made it this far, then congrats! You have now successfully imported a backup database into SQL and can start exploring it to see proper naming conventions and techniques. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and I'll see you next time.